So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can get some money by watching videos. Now, I say some money, it is not gonna get you rich, okay? This is some money that you can get on your free time, but of course, it won't respond to you. It won't replace your money income that you work, for example, at your daily job. This is just some extra income, so hit that subscribe button and let's go and do it. First of all, this website is called mediarewards.co. Okay, this is the easiest way to turn your media exposure into rewards. You can get some money here by watching videos, and all that you have to do in here is you have to just go and make yourself an award. So just take a look at this. Earn easy cash rewards just by watching TV, YouTube, and listening to the radio. You can as well listen to some music as well as you watch the videos and still get some money. As you can see, to start making money and earning free gift cards, just install the app and leave it in the background, as easy as it sounds. Of course, it works in an easy way. You just sign up, and I'm not gonna waste your time on that. You know what to do, and then you will just watch and enjoy, okay? Just sit back, relax, and start watching your favorite shows on TV. And of course, make that easy cash, guys. You can get some cash from this, and if you enjoy watching videos, well, there you go. What I love on this website is that they have low battery usage, and you know how YouTube and other video players use a lot of your battery? Well, this one isn't, and that's why I love it. You can get this one on the App Store. Just take a look at this. They have 4.9 out of 5. That's really good rating, guys. That's really good rating. And on Google Play as well, just take a look at this. These cash rewards, media rewards, have 500,000 downloads. And just take a look at this, guys. 4.5 out of 5. That's really good rating, so this only speaks for itself. A lot of people are satisfied. You can get some money on it. You won't get rich, I repeat that, but you should try. Whatever money you get on here, it is just some great income, guys. And of course, I want you to write me down in the comments how much money are you able to get from all of these that I'm gonna show you today, so we can compare them in our next video. And of course, whichever method I show you today, whichever website, it is gonna work all around the world. So if you live in Nigeria, if you live, I don't know, in Asia, Australia, wherever, guys, you can use this in your own country and you can get some money out of it. Now, the next one, real quick, it is called Reward XP, and you can just simply sign in here with Google. You don't even have to make yourself an account. When you get inside of this website, you will have like this Discord channel, but you don't have to do that, okay? Just go and click on Earn option and then choose which one of these you want to watch, okay? You have all of these, and Hideout TV is watching videos offers. You can get some money here. You will be redirected to their website where you can just watch some videos and get paid for it, okay? Of course, you can just use the search bar and just find something which is interesting to you, maybe some sports videos. I like to watch that, but you have some pet clips, you have some gamers videos, whatever you want to get yourself involved with, just go and watch it. Some money is yours. The more time you invest, the more money you're gonna get. And now this one is my favorite one, okay? It is called timebucks.com, and apart from watching videos, you can even post on Facebook and get some money. You can view some funny slideshows, you can play games. And just take a look at this. It is 3.4 on Trustpilot, and this is a good rating simply because they really pay, okay? They don't take away your money. They're not a scam. They're confident as always, as this person says. And of course, I suggest that you complete their surveys as well, because that's not only profitable, it can be fun as well, but of course, not as much as watching videos. When you log in inside, you will see that earning options are here, and what I suggest is that you be active on the website, because sometimes you can win these sweepstakes, okay? And sweepstakes is something that is being drawn at Friday 12 a.m. each week, and if you are the first person on this sweepstake, on this leaderboard, you have a chance of getting 250 bucks for yourself, or maybe if you are second, you can get $50. Third place gets you 30 bucks, and so on, as you can see in here. So that can be one more option for you. Maybe you get lucky, maybe not, but it definitely doesn't hurt to try. Next website, I'm gonna show you this one, prizerebel.com. Of course, you can watch videos in here as well. Sign up, earn, and redeem. And honestly, what I like about this website is that this website is really old. You can see that they have been established in 2007, okay? And that means that they have been in the business for a very long time. They know what they're doing, okay? This is a really experienced website. And apart from money, you can get yourself PS5. You can get yourself some computers. You can get Amazon gift cards. And I really like that. And I like the fact that they have 12 million members on the site. That is really cool fact, and this speaks for itself. I mean, to be this long into the job and not be closed or something like that, well, that's only a good thing for these guys. So PrizeRebel.com, another place. You can watch videos here as well, so just choose for yourself. Now, you have probably heard about this website a gazillion times, right? It is called swagbucks.com, but it's a place where you can watch some videos and get some little amounts of money, so that's why I included this on my list today, okay? So you can just make yourself an account and you can just get the money, okay? And what is really good about Swagbucks is this, guys, 29,000 reviews. Now, that's a lot of reviews, okay? This means that something is definitely on this website. They have 4.3 out of all of these reviews, and that is definitely a good sign. You can, of course, and that's what I suggest, go down there and you can read the comments that people are leaving in here. So research is, of course, welcome from your side. And apart from all of these websites, guys, when you visit a certain website online, try to find some reviews online about that website, okay? See the user experience from another person, okay? Maybe Trustpilot, maybe some other website which are reviewing these websites like this one. So just go and just do a little bit of a research so you don't waste your time, okay? That's a smart thing to do. So Swagbucks being one of these, let's go on. MyPoints.com, it's a good website, but I think that this website is working only on the land of the United States and Canada. I'm not sure, but I think that I saw something like that. I'm gonna try to find that information for my next video, and I can't see it right in here, but I think that this only works at the United States and Canada, so do not try this one until I have some more detailed information about this one. I'm not exactly sure, but I'm gonna check this out and I'm gonna get back to you guys. And the last one that I want to show you guys, it is called superpay.me. This works everywhere. You can get some free join bonus as well if you join in here, and they've got these fast payments, and this is what I like about this website. 8 hours is all that you need in order to get that money, so it is a really cool thing. So I highly suggest that you just go and just do a bit of a research, choose a site for yourself, and get that little extra income for yourself. Maybe you can combine a few of these, maybe you can use only one, only two, whatever, guys, just do your thing. Have a nice day, guys, and I'll catch you later.